Hello everyone, you are welcome to this special presentation about recharge and get paid. Now under this presentation you are going to learn how to make money from every recharge, data subscription, DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes and bill payments you make. Now these are things you have always been doing on daily basis without earning. But after watching this video you are going to learn how you make massive commissions from these things that you normally do without earning. Now this platform recharge and get paid this is designed to bring to you a platform that you can leverage on to increase dramatically your financial status. If you are going to follow duly all the process that are laid down in this presentation, believe me, in the next 3 months you won't believe where you will find yourself financially. Now by way of introduction, I am Mr. Emeka Ezanyago, the fast track team leader of recharge and get paid, and my number and my contact is stated over here with my referral ID Jimenez1 stated over here. But for the purpose of registration, if this video was sent to you by anybody, if you want to register, contact that person that sent this video to you so that he can give you his ID for you to register with. Now Bill Gates, who we know as the richest man in the world, stated that the secret of success in business lies in detecting where the world will go and get there first. And that is where recharge and get paid is. If you can leverage on this business, believe me, this is the business of the future and we are in pioneer state. He also went on to state that if he will be given the chance to start all over again, that he will choose network marketing. This is the business of the future. Network marketing can never fail. Now, recharge and get paid is a business opportunity in multi-level marketing business where we have the best compensation plan ever in the Nigerian market. We are growing to international markets, but we started with the Nigerian market, and from where we grow to all countries of the world. Now our premier product here is airtime. As a multi-level marketing outfit, our unique compensation plan best defines financial freedom. Now to become a dealer in a companies like MTN, Airtel, Glo and other big networks, you need to pay millions of naira for you to become an accredited dealer. But here recharge and get paid bring both telecoms and cable TV business, which is worth over 50 billion naira, together in one basket and give you the dealership with as small as 5,000, which is the least registration fee we have on the platform. Now every member of recharge and get paid, which we are also referred to as RAGP in this presentation, is a dealer to MTN, Glo, Airtel, 9mobile, DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes, and they enjoy price advantages like mega dealers outside the platform. Recharge and get paid is a platform designed to reward everyone that uses airtime. With recharge and get paid, anyone can recharge their phone, buy data, subscribe cable TV and pay bills from the comfort of their home and get paid with massive commissions as a dealer. Recharge and get paid enable business are basically in two forms. We have the referral and the non-referral business. I know that once you mention that term referral, most Nigerians get jittery, but I'm going to show you how you can do this on autopilot without the normal day-to-day hassles of you going to talk to people physically. But in this platform, it is not all about referral. We also have the non-referral aspect where you earn from commissions you make, both you and other people make on the platform. Now the non-referral business is that part of the business where members can earn commission from every transaction they do with their recharge and get paid VTU account. It is of note that once you are registered in this platform, a VTU account, you will create a VTU account from where you are going to do every transaction that have to do with airtime, data, TV subscription and bill payment. And every transaction you do on that your VTU account, you are getting paid commissions on it. Now members here enjoy dealers price and sell their services at good profit. These prices you sell are not decided by recharge and get paid. Rather, you sell as you wish. Now, going to the referral business, this is where the big business in the recharge and get paid lies. Now, here you have to sign up first. After signing up, you have to help promote the platform and help at least 3 people to join your team, and also coach them on how to promote the business so that they can also get their 3 each. And once you have done this, for life you are going to be earning authorship. By authorship, I mean that you are going to be earning anytime any of your downline makes any transaction, buys airtime, subscribe to data in the platform, you are going to earn from it for life. Now, we have different packages where you can use to register on the platform. We have the basic package of 5,000 with 20 PV, as you can see over here. PV stands for point value. Now, as we go on in the presentation, you will understand what these point value are used for. But here, the bronze package is 10,000 with 40 PV, the silver package 20,000, gold package 30,000, diamond package 40,000, and the highest, which is the platinum package of 50,000, it have 200 PV, which is point value. Now, Recharge and Get Paid operates a 3x10 force matrix. We call it 3x10 force matrix because, like I said before, once you register, you are obliged to have at least 3 people under you. Now, that is where this 3 is gotten from. And these 3 are also obliged to get their 3. The 3 people you have directly under you are your first level. While the second 3 that each of those 3 will have, by then you will have 9 people under them. Those people are your second level. And this continues to the 3rd level. By the 3rd level, by a multiple of 3, it will become 27 people. The 4th level, 81, 5th, 243. It continues up to the 10th level. This is where the level in Recharge and Get Paid terminates. And by the 10th level in your matrix, you are going to have 59,049 people in your matrix. Now, that is what is meant by this 3x10 matrix. 3 people by 10th level. And if you register anybody within this your team in this 3x10 matrix, you are going to be earning commissions anytime each of them do any transaction on the platform. Now, that is the big and the most important thing you need to know about this platform. No platform have done this in Nigeria before. Now, in this your first level, it is stated that you are mandatory to have 3 members, but you are not limited to 3. Any member can sponsor as many direct downlines as he can. There is no limit to it, because each of them, you are going to earn massive bonus from their registration and any other business they transact in this platform. Now, for pictorial explanation, you are assumed to be here in this first smiley with green color on top here, and your first level are these 3 yellow smileys, which are your first 3 members, and each of these 3 are to bring their 3, which is this second level here that is in blue, and these 3, each of them are supposed to also bring their 3, which is this 3rd level here that are 27 in red color. Now, this continues in this matrix. This 27, they are also supposed to have their 3 each. By that, you get to the 4th level, the 5th level, up to the 10th level. So the matrix moves in this form up to the 10th level. Now, going further, any member that registers in Recharge and Get Paid, this is the only platform that pays you a massive 20% bonus on your own registration, which means that you earn from the day you register. Now, a platinum member that registers with 50,000 gets 10,000 instantly, which is 20% plus 200 PV, which is the point value you earn. And that platinum member will earn up to the 10th level. If you are a diamond member, which you registered with 40,000, you are going to earn instant 8,000 plus 160 PV, and this will enable you to earn up to the 9th level. A gold member gets 6,000, a silver member gets 4,000 and earns up to the 7th level. A bronze member, which is 10,000 package, gets 2,000 instant bonus and earns up to the 6th level. While the last but not the least, which is the basic member, gets instant 1,000 registration bonus plus 20 PV and earns up to the 5th level. Now, this point value are what these different packages and their point value are what determines the level, how many level deep you are going to earn in this platform. By level deep, I mean how many people, how many level in your downline you are going to earn up to. Anybody that registers with as a basic member earns up to the 5th generation, while the person that registers with the platinum as a platinum member earns up to the 10th generation. Now, no matter any package you registered with, you are free to upgrade anytime you wish. And anytime you are upgrading, you are only paying the difference in the amount you used to register. You are not paying entirely the whole amount for that upgrade. Understand? Now, here are the different ways you earn in this platform. We have the direct referral bonus, which is 20,000 as I explained, 20% as I explained before. You have the indirect referral bonus, 10%. This from the second generation, the first generation direct referral, you earn 20%. Now, by indirect referral, I mean the person you refer directly, the people they refer. If the people they refer, that is your indirect referrals. So you also earn bonus from 10% to 1% depending on the generation. Your first generation indirect referral, you earn 10%. The second generation, you earn 5%. Third, it keeps going down up to 1%. And you earn up to the 10th generation. Now, you also have leadership bonus. These are bonus the company pays you for exceptional team building. We have the award and incentive, personal transaction commissions, and authorship. Now, these are broken down in B's here. For the direct referral bonus, you get 20% of the registration fee of any member you personally sponsor or register. This is irrespective of your own membership package or your own membership package, the membership package of the person coming on board. Now, what this means is that if you register with 5,000, the basic package, you are free to refer somebody that will register with platinum package. And if you register with the 5,000 package, you are earning your own instant registration bonus of 1,000, and you refer somebody that registered with the platinum package, you are earning instant 20%, which is 10,000 naira out of that amount. So that you registered as a basic doesn't prevent you from registering anybody in a higher or lower package. Now, the class of membership you can sponsor is not dependent on your own class. You are not limited by your own membership class in sponsoring anytime. Then coming to the indirect referral bonus, which I stated before, the indirect downlines are the people sponsored by your direct downlines to the 9th level. Indirect bonus is calculated as follows. In the second level, you earn 10%, third level 5%, fourth level 2.5%, then from 5th level to the 10th level, you earn 1% each. Now, coming to the leadership bonus, every registered member of Recharge and Get Paid is given point value, PV, as I stated before. Platinum 200, diamond 160, gold 120, silver 80, bronze 40, and basic 20. Now, if in any given month, through newly registered members, you accumulate 10,000 PV to 24,999 PV, you will get paid 100,000 as leadership bonus for exceptional team building. Now, this is a bonus the company pays you. This is not included in the massive commissions you are already earning from these people in your team, because each of them you are getting bonus from their registration. You are getting commission for any time they recharge, including your own recharge. So this bonus they are giving you is like a tip. It's not even up to 1/10 of what you already earn from this team. Now, don't think that this number 10,000 PV is too much for you to get. I must tell you with experience that once you start this platform, maybe build your team up to 500 to 1,000 PV. Believe me, you are going to enter autopilot. By autopilot, I mean your work will be less. The work will be taken upon by people under you, because they are going to also be refined. These PVs are cumulative. Both your own and the one of those people under you, you are also accounted to you. So it is not just the ones you get directly, but those under you, the ones they get, they are also counted to you. Now, this award is given on the condition that no one of your direct downline gives you more than 40% of your total PV. Now, what this means is that you are not going to rely on somebody. Maybe you registered only one person and you relied only on him for him to get downlines for you to be enjoying. So that's where this applies. So none of your downline will give you more than 40% before you earn. Now, coming to the award and the incentive, you earn from the award and incentive you earn from Recharge and Get Paid You earn from it through awards set as incentive to motivate members to aim high and work hard. It is based on the PVs accumulated from entrance to your team. All awards, as I stated, are given on the condition that none of your downline will give you more than 40% of your required PV. Now, in the International Trip Award, when you accumulate 25,000 PV from your registered members in your team over time, you qualify for a tourism vacation trip to Dubai. Now, in the leadership bonus, it said 10,000 PV in 1 month. Now, assuming you are not able to make 10,000 PV in 1 month, you make 5,000 this month, you make 3,000 next month, make 2,000 the other month, until it will keep accumulating. Until when you get to this 25,000 PV, the company is going to pay you 500,000 as International Trip Award. And when it accumulates to 60,000 PV, the company is going to pay you 2 million naira, as I'm going to show you proof of people that have in our team that have crossed this matrix. Now, when you also accumulate 100,000 PVs from all registered members in your team, over time you qualify for a house fund of 3 million naira. Like I said before, don't get intimidated by all these 100,000, 10,000, 25,000. I told you that once you are able to get up to 1,000 PVs and accumulate 1,000 PV from team members are going to help. As they are working, those people they are also getting people. It is all accruing to you. So that doesn't mean that you are the person that will go all out to get all this PV on your own. Now, the fifth way you can earn in this platform is by transaction commissions. You get paid 2% of all recharge you make, either to yourself or to others. Anytime you recharge, you are getting paid 2% of that amount you recharge. Directly in your e-wallet, you are getting paid, which you can withdraw to your bank account anytime you wish. You also get paid 10% on all data purchases, either to yourself or to others, because in your VTU account, you can be able to recharge to yourself or also send to anybody. Maybe you are collecting money as a student or as somebody who has one who is selling card. You are collecting money from people and you are recharging for them. You are getting paid for data 10% on any purchase and for recharge 2% of any purchase. Now, authorship from every member of your team placed in your 3x10 matrix. Remember, in your 10th generation, you are going to have about 59,000 people in your matrix. Now, each of these members, either by direct sponsorship or indirect sponsorship, anytime they recharge on the platform, you are getting paid 0.35% of all their recharges, and you are getting 1% of all their data purchases. Now, this is also both direct sponsorship, indirect, and spillover. So both the people you referred and the people others refer, you are getting paid from their actions and their transactions on the platform. Now, as you can see here, this is a sample of the commissions, and this is a screenshot from my dashboard. As you can see here, these are transactions that were done mostly on the 14th of October 2017. Now here you see the way the transaction commissions are dropping from the recharges people in my team are doing. Now this is a platform where you will go to sleep and wake up in the morning and see a lot of commissions dropping from actions that people that are far away from you are doing. People are recharging every minute of the day, and as they are doing this, you are earning commissions. As you can see here, 1,000 commission for registration, 5,000, 1,000, 5,000 over here, 4 naira for recharge, 500 for. So all these are gotten from my dashboard over here. Now, here is a 2 million naira check from Recharge and Get Paid. As you can see here, is a customized check of Recharge and Get Paid, paid to one of our team members on the 1st of September 2017 for getting 20,000 when he got to 20,000 PV. Now this same member, by the time he got to the next month, which is on the 1st of October 2017, he have gotten to 60,000 PV and he was paid 3 million naira, as you can see over here. Now this shows you that if he can get this number within 1 month, it is possible you can do it. These actions were not just taken by him, but those people under him are taking the actions, and those people are also earning their own going. Now, going further, you also see another team member he earned 2 million naira on the 1st of October 2017, and also on that same 1st of October, he also earned this 3 million naira, which means he qualified for both the two awards in the same month. It is possible in the same month, and the company pays him both of them directly. He gave him check which he can withdraw directly to his bank account. Now, I don't know what you are still waiting for. If you are hearing my voice now, if you are watching this video, you are bound to take action now to register. This is an opportunity that is going to change your financial life within the next 3 months and change your status entirely. Now, for you to register, you have to visit our site here at Recharge and Get Paid N. Please note the N. rechargeandgetpaidn.com, N for Naira. And click on register. When you get to the site, you click on register. You fill in your details there with the referral ID of the person that referred you. That is the first thing you are going to fill there. Then you can also use the referral link of the person. If you are using the referral link of anybody that referred you, if you click on the referral link, it will take you to the page with the referral ID already filled up there. Then you fill the form there, fill all your details and submit. Now, after the submission, for you to activate your account, to make it to be active immediately, you are going to deposit. You will see 3 options that show you e-wallet, bank transfer, and rest. These are different ways you can pay to the platform, but as a new member, the best way you can easily do on your own is by bank wire. Now, to do this, you have to transfer or deposit the amount you choose in your registration package into any of these bank accounts of Recharge and Get Paid. You have the GT Bank, the Diamond Bank, and the Zenith, and the account name is Recharge and Get Paid. Now, after you transfer that same amount to any of these accounts, you come back to the website and log in with the same username and password you used to register. You click on bank wire option. Then when you click on this bank wire option, you choose, there are 3 options. There are 3 boxes there. Fill your depositor name, the name you used to deposit the amount, then the amount you paid, then you put the teller number. In case you went to the bank to pay, you put the teller number, but if you do transfer, you put the transaction ID or the reference number. And once you do this, you submit and the company will verify. Or to hasten your activation, after submitting it, you send an SMS to any of this number, 081-820-98378, or this one here. Send them and ask them to activate your account, stating your username, the depositor name, the amount you paid, and the bank you paid to. So it will be verified immediately and your account will be activated and you are ready to start earning. And instantly you will earn your 20%. You can also activate 2 e-wallets, but if you are using this option, then your upline will activate you from his e-wallet and you are going to pay to him. Now, log on to the website now at rechargeandgetpaidn.com/register.php and it will bring up the registration form. Now you fill up your details and register now. If you got this video from our YouTube channel or from our Facebook page, please use the referral ID Jimez1 as the referral ID when filling the form. Now, for further information, you can also contact this number you are seeing on the screen here. Now, if you go to our site, this is an interface of the site. You click on register here and it's going to take you to the registration page. After registering, you come back here, you now click on login to log in. Now, you can also click here to create a VTU account. And please, if you are creating your VTU account, use that same name you used, the same username and password you used when you were registering your account to create it, so that both of them will tally. Now, in cashing out your earnings on this platform, all earnings are instantly calculated and paid into your e-wallet from where you transfer them into your Naira bank account, which you will fill during registration. So any money you earn on this platform, you can cash it out within 30 minutes. The money is reflecting in your bank account. Now, Recharge and Get Paid is a fully registered business with Corporate Affairs Commission here in Nigeria, with a physical office as you can see in the address here in Abuja. So if you wish to visit our office in Abuja, you can copy out this address. You can also search it on Google and see our details there. Remember, the future of this business is unlimited. There is no end in sight. It just started. It will continue to grow as long as people are recharging their phone, subscribing to data, and you know that most banks have keyed into this business long ago by introducing the recharging of phones through short codes which you can press and to recharge your phones. As you are doing this, there are any massive commissions, but Recharge and Get Paid is bringing this to your doorstep so that you can also key in and tap into this gold mine. Now, why don't you join the train now? Don't delay, don't procrastinate. Start now. Now is the time. For more details, please contact me, Mr. Emeka, the Fast Track Team Leader, on 08033220038. You can also visit our Facebook page at fb.me/recharge and get paid official. And you can also send us message at our Facebook page with this link over here. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Recharge and Get Paid. Go to the channel, watch other videos about the Recharge and Get Paid there, comment and like. I'm going to respond to you. Like I said in the beginning, my referral ID is Jimenez1, but please, when you want to register, contact the person that sent this video to you to get his ID. Thank you once again and welcome to the other side of success in life. Thank you.